Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach. I was like, what's this place called?
Blizzard Beach, and we're gonna just take you around.
Enjoy the sun.
Yeah.
Well, barely.
That's the sun.
Yeah, we're ready to go in the water. It's fun.
You ready for a dunk?
Let's go.
Oh, wait. I'm actually cold. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That felt pretty good, actually.
Okay.
That feel good?
Yeah.
I feel good.
I'm gonna leave my claw clip because
The claw clip's out.
my hair already feels heavy.
I have her hair tie because I literally forgot a hair tie. I don't know how I forgot a hair tie. I brought a scrunchie and like that was it. But I'm gonna take you along for whatever I feel like recording. I'm not gonna record everything, but we're here at Blizzard Beach and I'm so excited. I haven't been here in such a long time. Last year we were in Typhoon Lagoon with my cousins, so very excited to be here with Vicky. This is the vibes. So cute. So excited. Precious.
Bella, how does that slide go?
That one, it goes down.
Oh,
Like straight,
that
yeah.
looks so scary.
No, yeah, it definitely looks creepy. We did a little stop to get some photos. I'll insert. Photo, photo, photo. Assuming they're good, because this is like, the lens is like the wider one, so I can never tell what it looks like, but ooh, I'm excited. We're swimmer girls. Let's go!
I was not ready to get wet yet, like that.
Oh. Welcome to ready, go under. I got it. Okay, we're going on an adventure. I'm drowning. The goal is to find a tube. Otherwise, we're gonna be suffering for ages. Huh?
So you have to record us going out of the cave.
Oh yeah, yeah. So we made it alive. Nothing happened. Dramatically. Oh wait, can we grab those tubes?
Where are they at?
Over there. I think we found a tube. Okay, Vicky's getting me a tube. Here's a little fit check. Thank you. Three, 2. I cleaned mine too.
There's so much dirt on it.
Yeah, I was in the dirt. Sit on it. That's actually really cute. Ooh. Yeah, it's cute. It's so cute.
She said that's so cute. Alright guys, so we are on the lazy river right now. We are just gonna float our way down, enjoy it for a little bit, because it's been an intense day.
Vicky does not like how the weather interrupted our day.
No, literally. Like, we sat for like 2 hours waiting for them to open everything back up. Thankfully, they already opened it,
We
but
also like ate food. Like
Yeah.
at the right time too.
we did.
It wasn't like packed. I love that.
Yeah. And then we were able to like sit down and let our food digest for a little bit. But yeah. We're just chilling, hanging out.
We also rode like over half of the rides. We did toboggan racers. We did the other racers. We did the other one on like we did all the blue ones down. We have to do the one on that side, and then the big one, and then we did all of them. It was pretty good.
I'm kind of scared to do the big one because it looks really intense. Bella says you get a major wedgie.
Yeah, so like that's kind of painful. You're going in knowing there's pain coming.
She said, there's pain coming.
It's on your way. But
yeah,
you know,
yeah.
this lazy river is really cool because you can't be lazy for long because the coldest water you've ever seen in your life comes at your face.
Right.
Oh wait, this is the one we didn't do yet.
So we haven't gone on this one yet.
It's on our agenda.
It's on our agenda to go.
Maybe he's tired of stairs.
Oh, I am. There's so many stairs. Like, I should have worked out like a month prior to this because literally, like, I did not prepare my body for the amount of stairs. And it's not only that, it's because you have to go up the stairs like 3 or 4 times. The same set of stairs.
Yeah, so like we did the ride and we go down. I'm like, okay, next one. And she's like, next one. I'm like, yeah, back up we go. But it was so fun.
I wasn't ready for that. And then Bella was like, have you not been working out? I'm like, no. Like, I have not.
See, look how cool that is.
Do you go up sitting on it?
Wait, no, that's just a tube.
Oh.
Hey, I'm in. Honestly, I haven't been here in so long. Like Blizzard Beach, I haven't been here in a year and a half, 2 years. So I was at Typhoon last year, not here. We'll check in with you guys later.
You're gonna get it.
Dad, go!
Oh no, I just screwed. Oh, I don't want to get it.
Bella!
You literally, it was just you. I got nothing. I'm smooth sailing. Also, why am I so deep in this?
I don't know.
Okay.
You're going to the water side.
We changed positions. And now we're gonna get little spritz. But look, this side is starting to clear up a little bit. So that's really nice.
Well, we're going straight for it.
I know.
don't want to.
You can let go.
No.
There, we're going in it. I told you it's cold.
Why is it so cold?
Oh, it's freezing. I guess that's the vibes though. We're in an iceberg.
It's freezing.
Relaxing. Wee wee. La la la. Get in the water. Go see Olaf and his little friends. That's cute, that's cute. Isn't he so cute? Oh. I know, it's like super sweet. Look, that's my little baby. My little bushki. Fiona and Elsa! Oh! I feel like that's bad. What happened? Cute.
The water's warm. So
You did it. Get in there. We're all alone.
I love my island girl.
I need my goggles.
Wow, look at that now.
Storm.
Yeah.
It's going to storm, people.
The plan is to ride out the storm a little bit longer. Enjoy. Oh, a little bit.
Yeah.
Enjoy a little bit of the water and then get the donuts. That's kind of the plan.
That's the plan.
So we'll see if it works out in that order. But until then, I'm a mermaid. Be a doggy, be a doggy. Huh?
There's bad weather in the area.
I'm tired of waiting for the storms to go by.
Someone has a bad attitude. I'm kidding.
No, no, it's
They're just like, look at the sky. It looks disgusting.
like, and then over here it's like, wow, hey. And then everywhere else is just like disgusting. And then there's Bella.
Please clear the pool. Thank you. Giving them a show, giving them a show. After getting out of the pool. I'll give them a show. Well, hopefully y'all enjoyed whatever footage I did get of us. But
Didn't go on any rides with the GoPro.
no, I didn't, but that's okay.
It is what it is.
I like to live in the moment, so that's what I choose. I choose to live life.
The lazy river.
Yeah, we did like three rounds, which I love though.
Yeah.
But hopefully the next clip is me eating donuts. Plain ones. Cute. So cute. I don't know what I've said last, but we're in Hollywood Studios. I did get the coffee that's like the passholder one for the summer, like 5 out of 10. Could be better. I like peanut butter. And I took out the chocolate syrup, so that's probably maybe why I don't like it as much either. But not the greatest. I'm probably gonna down like half of it so I get some caffeine in me and then get another coffee. So anyway, I got this. Look at my koozie. Isn't that so cute? I found some stuff. So call it time. Look at what I found. Aren't they so cute? I love them. They're precious. She looks so cute in her little outfit. Let me see. Oh, it's so cute. And he looks also very precious. So I'm very happy that I found these. I saw these posted and I was like, they're not gonna have any more, but they do. They do. And I also hold Father's Day. I also got this Father's Day pin. That's so cute. It's really Ariel and her daddy. Daddy, I love him. Daddy, I love him. But it's from this movie. It's so cute. You can't tell me it's not the cutest thing ever. Oh, but I'm not giving it to my dad. It's for me.
What the heck? I literally thought you bought it.
No, I'm gonna keep it.
I literally can't with you.
Cause he's gonna be like, oh, cute, and then just give it right back to me. So I'm just saving him a stub.
So then just tell him like, hey, I thought of you.
Yeah. Be like, look, Daddy, look what I got.
I literally can't. She made it seem like she was buying this for him. She's like, oh my gosh, this is so cute.
For my daddy.
She literally said that.
Yeah,
and
but
then now
not
she's
going
saying
to
that
Daddy.
she's not giving it to him. I was like, what?
No, yeah, he's gonna see it. Like, I'm gonna show him. Like, look at the pin that I got. And he's gonna be like, oh, it says Happy Father's Day. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, for you. Oh, that's so, I traded this one. I gave my Tinkerbell bus for this one. This is a trader. This is a trader. I just traded for this one last time I came, so that's not a trader. This is a trader, and this one's not a trader. So I have 2 traders, but like, or 3 traders, but these are like really good traders. So I'm probably not going to trade for anything silly on the boards. I need to buy more traders. I love these. Gotta open this one now too.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what I got.
Seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait.
Outfit. It's like your life. So I ordered some food and I got like a pizza with some sausage, or no, pepperoni. I got the kids one. But before that, we're gonna go in the Toy Story store and see what I find, or a Pixar store. This is cute. This is so cute. Look at Piglet. This is really cute. I love this. This is amazing. Leaving Hollywood Studios. It is currently 8:50, so right as it's closing, but I had such a good time. I got some really fun things. I mostly got pins. This big bag, they didn't have the small ones, so it looks crazier than I actually spent, but I got some really fun pins, so I'm very happy. So we made it to the boardwalk, and I'm gonna get some ice cream, go through the store, and then walk back to the car that I parked in Hollywood Studios. The park closed at 9, but they had like an after hours event, so it was pretty like packed. But I did get a lot of cool things, so it's okay. And I really just needed a sweet treat. And Hollywood Studios doesn't have like a sweet treat that I like, at least that I was looking for. So I just came here. But I'm so excited. It's so pretty here. My blob of peanut butter. So I'm walking back to my car from the boardwalk, getting all those steps in. Theo, if you're watching, it should be ahead of you. But anyway, actually no, when I checked, you were ahead of me, Theo, by like a couple hundred. So hopefully by now I'm on the lead, unless you're doing a walk at 9:44 at night, which I doubt you are. Anyway, I'm walking back to my car. I'm getting ready to go home. I had such a sweet time, just relaxing. The weather is insane. Like, it is so nice. I'm a little bit flabbergasted at how nice it is. Like, I was expecting it to be gross because it did rain a little bit, but it's amazing. Like, this is an amazing day weather-wise. Okay, this is the end of this vlog. If you watched this far, you are a real one because all I do is just record what I like. But I had such a cool day and I got lots of steps, and if I can't remember to screenshot like how many I got, I'll put it here. And if I have like to see who won between me and my uncle, I'll also put that here. But it's been literally just such a amazing day, and I'm so glad that I had it. And thanks for watching if you came this far, and get ready for the next one. Here's a little like, if you're watching this far, I'll give you some updates. I know I have at least like one more video before like the coolest video ever. You're about to see like the best summer content you've ever seen. But also I ended the day with 20%. So not bad, honestly. The fuel rod really is saving me. Like getting that fuel rod truly has made like Disney days last so much more before my phone like dies. But I can't wait to honestly edit this vlog too. I feel like this vlog is just good vibes. I really am my best self in Disney. So thanks for watching.